everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today, guys, I'm excited to be taking you along to TKMAXX Australia for Easter 2025. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I just couldn't wait to check out their latest Easter decor, and they certainly did not disappoint. There are so many adorable eggs, bunnies, sheep, you name it, they had it, and they were all just so adorable. Now, you know your girl Chelle lives a 2-hour drive away from her local TKMAXX. So guys, I really don't get there very often, but when I do, I really love checking out their new range of decor, whether it's seasonal or whether it's something that I can put in my home all year round. I absolutely love this store.
I need a break, I can't escape myself. This roller coaster of emotions and the person I'm becoming. Still learning.
How adorable, guys, is this adorable little bunny holding the cabbage? I thought it was so cute.
Pushing 30, I got no reason to be sad. My mood always convince me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I got you sent from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me it, baby, I swear that will be alright. I'm asking to save it all over again. I'm asking to save it all over again. If we were a movie, then how would it end? But you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. If we decide that we're good, wanna see you crying too. Show it be some to you. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know.
Leave me a comment down below, guys, what type of Easter decor you'll be decorating this year. Do you have a certain theme, a certain colour? Leave me a comment down below. I'd really love to know.
So strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I've never been to this part of town. Everyone is dressed up here, but looks so down. Lost in a room where my shadow drowns. So glad I found you there in the crowd. All I wanted was a little connection, but they only care for their own reflection. I tried to blend in, but I'll never be like them. Out here I'm someone else. Honey, honey, and their eyes just taste so sweet. Honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed shopping with me at TKMAXX Australia for Easter 2025.
Concrete jungle where dreams are sold.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back next week, guys, for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.